let's have a look at his claim. He had some things that